Looking for a CPU cooler that keeps your system icy cold without sounding like a jet engine? The Dark Rock 4 promises just that: extreme cooling performance paired with nearly silent operation. If you're pushing your rig to the limits or running heavy workloads, this cooler is designed to keep temperatures down and noise levels barely noticeable. I switched to the Dark Rock 4 after a close call with an AIO cooler that almost caught fire due to a faulty cable. The difference was night and day. This beast features 6 high-performance copper heat pipes that maximize heat transfer, complemented by wave-contoured cooling fins that boost airflow. Its special black coating with ceramic particles isn't just for looks, it enhances heat conduction for better efficiency. Plus, the Silent Wings 135mm PWM fan uses an advanced fluid dynamic bearing and a smooth 6-pole motor, keeping noise to a whisper even at max speed, just 21.4 dB. Installation was surprisingly straightforward. The black installation kit mounts from above, making the process clean and hassle-free. It even supports an additional 120mm fan if you want to push cooling further. Just keep in mind your case needs at least 160mm of clearance height and RAM clearance below 40mm for the best fit. The package includes thermal paste, enough for 2 or 3 applications, which helped me hit a cool 29 degrees Celsius on an i7 CPU during BIOS setup on an Asus TUF motherboard. What stands out is how this cooler balances power and silence. It's chunky, definitely a THICC cooler, but it never compromises quietness. The brushed aluminum top cover with a diamond cut finish adds a sleek, premium touch that fits any high-end build. German engineering shows through in every detail, from design to quality control, backed by a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. If you're tired of noisy AIOs or struggling with complicated setups, the Dark Rock 4 offers a reliable alternative that delivers both performance and peace of mind. It's perfect for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands consistent cooling without distraction. Worth a look if your build can accommodate its size. Ready to upgrade your cooling game? The Dark Rock 4 stands out as a smart choice for powerful, silent cooling that won't let your CPU overheat or your ears suffer. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference in your next build.